welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. My brodas and sisters. Today, I'm in the car, so you already know what that means. We're going shopping. We are at Ikea today, and we are going to see what's new for Ikea in the summer. I want to see what their summer collection is. If you guys have been watching my channel, you know I just moved into my apartment, and so I've got a few things that I need to get. If you can't tell, I'm sick. Yes, I am. I don't even know what it is, but I'm feeling a little bit more like myself, so that's good. But I'm excited to go in. I don't know how much energy I'm gonna have to do the entire Ikea showroom, because you guys know that the showroom is so long and it's like a marathon in there. So I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to get through realistically with how I'm feeling, but I'm excited to see what's there, and I'm excited to spend some money. Okay, I'm excited to spend some money. All my finance classes have been all for naught. But anyway, let's jump in there and see what we can find. I do need a kitchen table. I need dining chairs. I need some decor. I need curtains. What else do I need? I need like a chair for my bedroom. So just little things like that. We're just looking to see what we can find. I'm not completely remaking over my apartment. I'm going to be using a lot of the furniture from my last place. So I'm just adding on to those extra areas in my house that I didn't have in the last house, like a dining room. So yeah, let's see what we can find. Okay. Hey friends, okay, so I'm so excited to shop together. Let's talk about Ikea. You already know the vibes. Lots of walking, lots of opinions, and lots of design inspo, but on a budget. Whether you're decorating a new place, looking for clever storage ideas, or just like wanting to browse, Ikea literally never disappoints. So the very first thing that caught my eye was this lamp. It is so stylish, like drooling stylish. This is definitely my style. Very mid-century modern. It was only $59.99. I say only, but that is slightly more expensive. It was still cute. I loved this bamboo mirror. I thought this would go great in my bedroom for like a little makeshift vanity area. I definitely want to find a place to do my makeup. This was so cute, and I swear you guys, I'm gonna go back and get this. I'm not gonna try to pronounce it, but I thought it was a fair price and perfect for my bedroom area. Now these lamps would be great in a dining area, living room, or bedroom. I love that they are just so affordable and you can arrange them however you like. That is one thing I love about Ikea. A lot of their furniture is customizable, so it gives you a lot of versatility in how you're going to design the space. Now this sofa was beautiful, but geez, that price?
Damn!
Definitely not. I can go get something at West Elm for that price, or CB2. So here is a dining area. I just love looking at how they style everything. It's so inspirational. It's so exciting to walk through and just see all the different styling techniques. I would actually love a job styling at Ikea. I wonder how I can get that job. If you know, put it in the comments. Now this sofa was absolutely beautiful. Now this is from the new Stockholm collection. It is a 3-seater sofa in like a velvety texture. I love the caramel, like camel color of it. It goes for $1,700. Now that is a little expensive for Ikea. So, you know, I'm not quite too sure what to say about that. Definitely a sofa like this at like CB2 might be more expensive. Something to think about. You can get better made furniture for not much more. This collection is a little expensive. Now this Stockholm chandelier I actually grabbed. It was only 80 bucks and I absolutely loved the shape of it. These are really beautiful as well. Very girly, very glam. Again, their styling is just absolutely amazing. Now this I could use for a bar cart. It's from the Stockholm collection as well. I thought the price was pretty fair for this, and I would definitely snag it if I had a place for it. This living room is my dream. It's a 70s, 60s dream, and it's exactly my style. I think one of the great things about IKEA, other than the inspiration that it gets, it's very interactive. And I think that's really where they win with their marketing and how they style everything. I think the fact that they make it interactive, it really brings the furniture to life and makes you want to get it for your own place. Now this place was a little bit more masculine, so I wanted to get it on camera because you don't always see the masculine spaces in IKEA. So I thought this was a good example of how you can utilize their furniture in a male space. I actually just did a video about a month ago giving guys tips on decorating their apartments, so I'll go ahead and pop that video up right now. Make sure you go and check it out after this video. This island was so nice. So I think the top goes for $99 and the body goes for $150. I have an office space and I actually need a pull-out couch or a Murphy bed because I want it to be an office / guest room. So if you guys have any opinions on which I should do, Murphy bed or pull-out sofa, let me know. Love these. I think they're from the Stockholm collection as well. They have like 60s vibes. I also like that it's a little postmodern, and so that's really on trend right now. I fell in love with these wine racks. They were only 20 bucks. I'm thinking about getting rid of my current wine rack from Amazon and replacing it with these. What do you guys think? Now it says they have 50% off of items for their summer sale. Let's see what kind of deals we can find. Now I'm walking into the kitchen area, which is my area because I have a dining room now, which I'm so excited about. This is a little banquet situation. I've definitely considered doing a banquet in my new dining room. Don't know if that's the way I'm gonna go, but it's an option. It's definitely an option. All of these models make me so excited to actually buy a home when I can actually start going cabinet shopping. Now here we are in the dining room area and I am looking for dining room tables and options for dining room chairs. I didn't see any chairs that I liked, to be honest. Now this table was a contender. It's a good price, $280, and this one was also really catching my eye. It was from the Stockholm collection, and so were the chairs, but I ultimately decided to keep looking. I thought these were kind of cool for a nice pop of red. Here goes the chandelier again. I loved it, but they were actually out of stock, so that's the only reason I didn't get it, but I absolutely loved it. Obviously, these clothes are not for sale, but I love to take a look at the wardrobe systems there because they're just perfect. IKEA is definitely known for their PAX wardrobe systems. And this bed, so beautiful. I don't know how to pronounce this, but I think it's a pretty good price. The paper lantern is beautiful. I really like this nursery / bedroom setup. I'm always super impressed when people can do a nursery bedroom setup in a good way. And that's why I recorded this, because I thought they nailed the nursery / bedroom setup. It's kind of hard to pull off, but they did a good job. Now I ended up snagging one of these jewelry containers because all of my jewelry is stored in a big bowl right now, and that gets tangled, and I think I need to adult just a little bit, so I decided to finally get one of these. You guys will be seeing me style my bedroom in a few upcoming videos, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on those notifications so you don't miss it. This was a really cute rug. It actually kind of looks like turf in my opinion, but also very modern, very mid-century, so I was definitely interested in that one. I like the solid blue here, and then this one was also pretty cool. Not my style, but I like that IKEA is making bolder choices when it comes to their rugs, and they are really starting to follow current trends, which is nice and refreshing. I love watermelon, and I just thought this was so cute. I'm not gonna get one for myself, at least not today. I can't promise I won't come back for it. Now we're onto the lighting department. Ikea has really great options for lighting. Lighting is something that you can skimp out on. You don't have to spend a lot of money on lighting, but it can still have a really dramatic effect. This is one of the pricier options. This is the popular like donut lamp that everybody has on Instagram and TikTok. It was my first time seeing it in person, so I definitely wanted to catch it on video. I can see why people like it. It's very unique and you can use it on the wall, on the table, and in a variety of ways. So very cute, very mid-century. This one I thought was very elegant. It has a nice traditional look to it. I love the linen shade, and it's from the Stockholm collection also. It goes for $80, a little more pricey, but it does have this marble base, so I think that's why it's a little more expensive. Definitely a contender. This was just really cool. I'd never seen anything like it. $70, a little pricey, but very cute. And again, my favorite lamps here. Now this is really cute for like a kid's room or nursery, or just like a creative room. And here it goes, the Stockholm chandelier again that I was really loving. I think this is where I finally picked it up and put it in my cart. It goes for $80. I love the wire trim around it. It actually looks like something from West Elm that would really be closer to like $300. So I was like, you know what? Let me get it. It was the very last one, so I was like, Jillian, just get it, just do it before somebody else comes and takes it. So I grabbed it, put it in my cart, and I never looked back. At the very end of every IKEA trip, I make sure to go to the as is section, and you need to do the same, you guys, because you can find really good deals in the as is section. Some of the furniture is up to like 70% off in this area, and it may be just like the slightest thing that's wrong with it. You know that I do not mind fixing up something, or if it has a little scrape here or dent there, as long as I get a huge discount from it. And that is why I always stop by this section. I thought these mugs were so cute and chic. They were only $1.99 each, and I thought about getting it. I just already have so much dishware. I really didn't need it. This shade is also very beautiful. I just wanted it to kind of go out a little bit more and not be so straight down, but it was only 12 bucks, so I considered it for a minute. I wanted it to umbrella out just a little bit more. I went ahead and grabbed some of this Tupperware. It was only 99 cents, so I got 2 of these, and I've already used them. They're absolutely perfect. I never thought to get Tupperware from Ikea, but hey, they have everything here. Next in the as-is section was this blue sofa. So I didn't find anything else, so I went to the checkout and headed out. Hey guys, so that is it for today's video. I found some pretty cool stuff. The as-is section was a little disappointing, but I did end up buying 2 things. I bought a chandelier for the dining room, and then I also bought like a jewelry organizer for my dresser. I've been keeping all of my jewelry in this big bowl, and so I think that the organizer is really gonna do my jewelry justice and just make everything look a little bit more organized. But that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed shopping with me. They had some pretty cool stuff, but they have gotten a little pricey, I will say that. But overall, they had some really nice items. I love the Stockholm collection because it's very mid-century modern, which is my jam. But anyway, I love you all. Make sure you tune in next week. You don't want to miss it, and I will see you next weekend. Love you. Bye.